So what you're describing as happening at these farms in the 50s and now, how does that link with land dispossession?
If the issue is the crisis of attaining cheap labor, why use violence and kill? And I say, well, it's the nature of dispossession, because the nature of dispossession knows that as soon as violence appears, right, you can only subject people to violence for a few years, and after a while, that violence will not be successful, and soon they will seek emancipation, and they will revolt. But, you know, in the book I say violence is a headstrong larva, you know, whose preferred larva is docility. And the preference of docility is that this docility does not allow a contestation in the future. And so that's what dispossession then becomes, right? The violence of dispossession is a violence that does not see any possibility of resistance in the future, and hence it has to constantly be applied. So the application of this violence in the farms, right, is intended so that the so-called children, we are told, because they are treated like children, as we started with that conversation, don't get to revolt in the future and don't have a positive self-reference